From crumbs to pet hair, Xiaomi Mijia car vacuum handles it all. Ever felt like cleaning your car is a battle you always lose? Dust in vents, crumbs in seat tracks, and pet hair everywhere, yet your tools feel powerless. It's frustrating when a simple cleanup takes forever. Sound familiar? Drop a comment if you've ever stared at your car floor thinking, there has to be a better way. When dirt piles up, it doesn't just ruin aesthetics. It adds stress, makes your car feel chaotic, and steals your time. You juggle dusting, sweeping, and awkward chores, wishing for an effortless solution. Imagine a tool that lets you clean quickly, thoroughly, and without tangles or interruptions, finally reclaiming control over your car and home, all while saving energy and sanity. Introducing the Xiaomi Mijia car vacuum cleaner, the compact powerhouse designed to tackle dirt wherever it hides. With 21 kilopascal strong suction, a 61% upgraded brushless motor spinning at 100,000 revolutions per minute, and 5-stage filtration, it pulls embedded dust, crumbs, and pet hair effortlessly. The 150 milliliters dust cup means fewer interruptions, while the 2400 mAh battery provides 30 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. Lightweight and ergonomic at just 965 grams. One hand is all you need. Attach the Crevice tool for seat tracks, the brush nozzle for dashboards, or the wide nozzle for carpets, and watch stubborn messes vanish. One car owner said, "I cleaned my entire SUV and still had battery left for the kids' minivan." Another user praised its washable filters. No more buying replacements, and no dust escaping into the air. From tight corners to large surfaces, the Mijia vacuum combines portability, power, and efficiency. Here's one trick pro users love. Always keep it charged in the car's center console for instant touch-ups. Read on to see why this makes cleanup addictive. The real magic? It's more than suction, it's freedom and confidence. Experts highlight the 5-stage filtration capturing allergens, while influencers rave about its cordless design and USB-C fast charging. One reviewer said, "It handles pet hair and gravel with zero hassle. I can move from my car to the house in seconds." Users agree. It's lightweight, quiet, and powerful. I finally enjoy cleaning instead of dreading it. The Xiaomi Mijia vacuum saves time, reduces fatigue, and keeps your interior spotless. Its versatility makes it perfect for cars, stairways, desks, or even small workshops. With attachments designed for every nook and cranny, your cleaning routine becomes efficient, satisfying, and surprisingly fun. Imagine the peace of mind knowing crumbs, sand, or dust won't escape your reach. Thousands can't stop talking about the convenience and performance, from automotive enthusiasts to parents and home office workers. Which feature would make your life easiest? Comment below and see how others are upgrading their cleaning game. The satisfaction of clean spaces isn't just visual. It's tactile, intuitive, and instantly rewarding, turning a chore into a simple, stress-free ritual. Stop letting messes control your day. The Xiaomi Mijia car vacuum cleaner is your ticket to fast, effortless cleaning at home or on the road. Thousands of satisfied users rave about its power, battery life, and washable filters. Don't wait. Make your space sparkle with minimal effort. Click now and unlock a bonus tip for maximizing runtime and efficiency. Limited stock. Join the community of owners who've turned tedious cleanups into quick, satisfying routines and experience the difference for yourself today.